Okay, what we're doing in this video for the interiors is just taking this house in sections, okay? So just kind of give you a heads up on that. Dining area, everything's been painted up and cosmetically redone, which is good. Type of windows you have are single pane, single hung windows. Those are what's pretty standard in pretty much every house that would be in this neighborhood in the year 2000. You can always consider improving that, but yeah, replacing windows is pretty expensive, so if you're going to lean that direction, make sure that this is a place that you plan on staying at for a while. Looking at the front entry area, the first thing I noticed when I got to the house is you need to put the saddle at the bottom, get that adjusted, and put the sweep on the bottom of the door because that's open and letting air in and out, and if you get enough wind and rain, it could let water in too. This is the front office area, and one thing I noticed here is I'm not sure what caused this, but around the smoke detector, okay, you can see the discoloration. I put a moisture meter to that area, and that area is dry. It's possible that it had leaked previously and that was just painted over, but at this time nothing is wet. There's only two places in the house where I suspect previous leaking. That's this room here and in the garage at the right side, close to where the electrical panel is. And neither one of those areas are wet at this time, but they're both located underneath that front gable where we had on the roof video. You remember we showed you where the flashing's lifted and the corners need to be sealed. So those are the things you can do to help make sure that you're not getting water coming in the future. I'm running the washing machine and dryer as we speak. Okay, both are functional. Hookups look good. The 110 outlet here was for a gas dryer. When the house was built, they have a gas line installed back there. There's no gas service to the house at this time, but the line is still there. So they have a 110 receptacle here. That's what the washing machine is plugged into. The dryer is plugged into 220. Okay, and this other receptacle behind the washing machine, that one has no power to it. So that's why you're plugged into that one. All right, they're both working. The washing machine is running cycle now as we speak. Can't open a door because of the safety. And the dryer is running as we speak too. And I took a look at the bedroom area, the hallway area. These areas look pretty good. Just a quick view. All right. One thing that I'm noticing as I walk through the building is obviously the smoke detectors are chirping, which means that you're going to need to replace the batteries soon on those. So that would be something you would do right away when you got in the house, otherwise it would drive you crazy. And then you can have them tested. This is the hall bathroom, okay? We're running water, checking everything, flushing toilets, running the sump. Okay, everything is dry here. Okay, the type of plumbing you have in the house is CPVC. You can see the distribution line right here. They've done a lot of work here. They put new countertops in, they put new fixtures in, and underneath here you can see the plumbing looks like it's in good condition. Okay, just kind of panning around here. There's a vent fan in here, and we've had water running for about maybe 15 minutes, just diverting the water up to the shower head. Okay, the only thing we're going to make a recommendation for here is this is loose. Okay, you want to seal around that so water doesn't get in there. All right, but other than that, things are functioning. Those marks that you see in the tub, those are just dead insects right there. The house has probably been vacant for a little while. All right, so this is the front side of the house. I'll give you pretty much an overall view of the condition and what we're doing while we're here. Okay, we'll be back with the next video in just a bit.